Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is 30 times 31 times 32 times 33 plus 1. So now solution from here, we have the square root. We can express this square root of 30 times 31 times 32 times 33 as 30 multiplied by, we can express 31 as 30 plus 1. And then we can express 32 as 30 plus 2. And then we can express 33 as 30 plus 3, then plus 1. Remember, we are solving this problem without a calculator. The next step here, we can just say let x be equal to 30. Let x be equal to 30. Now, we let x to be equal to 30. Now, let's substitute x to this square root problem. So here, we have x multiplied by x plus 1. We'll have here 30 plus 2, this is x plus 2. Then 30 plus 3, this is the same thing as x plus 3. Then plus 1. The next step from here, let's expand this equation. This is the same thing as we can have x times x plus 3, x times x plus 3. And then here we have x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 and then plus 1. The next step here, we'll have the square root of x times x, this is x to power 2, then plus x times 3, this is 3x, close the bracket here. And then here we have x times x, this is x to power 2, plus x times 2, this is 2x, then plus 1 times x, this is x, then plus 1 times 2, and this is equal to 2. Close the bracket and then plus 1. Now, the next step from here, we'll have the square root of x to power 2 plus 3x. And then here, we have x to power 2 plus 2x plus x, this is 3x, plus 2, then plus 1. The next step here, we can say let m be equal to x to power 2 plus 3x. You can see this part here and this part here is the same. So let's call this x plus 3x as m. So this is the same thing as m. Substituting the value of m here, we'll have the square root of m multiplied by m plus 2, then plus 1. So if it is your first time you come across these videos from this channel, please like this video and subscribe. So let's proceed from here. We have m times m, this is m to power 2, then plus 2 times m, this is 2m, then plus 1. Now, the square root of, now m squared plus 2m plus 8 plus 1, this is actually in the form of a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, which we can express as a plus b squared. So applying this algebraic identity, then this follows that here we'll have the square root of m plus 1 squared. And the next step is just to eliminate this square root sign. So we simplify that so that now we have m plus 1. But if you recall here, we end that m is the same thing as x squared plus 3x This is the value of m. So let's substitute this value here. Now let's substitute the value of m, which is x squared plus 3x. So here we'll have x squared plus 3x plus 1. But x here, we have the value of x from the start. We had that let x be equal to 30. So let's substitute this. Substituting the value of x here, x is equal to 30. Substituting this, here we'll have 30 squared plus 3 times 30 plus 1. So 30 squared here, this is the same thing as 30 times 30. This is equal to 0, 0. This is 900. So here we have 900 plus that times 3, this is 90, then plus 1. And therefore, the solution here is 991. So this is the solution to this square root problem. So the square root of 30 multiplied by 31 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 33 plus 1. This is equal to 991.